What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on Mask because this coin is currently pumping like crazy, and in my opinion we have here a few trading opportunities that I want you to know about. So if you're interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to take on this coin, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to ask you, if you like my videos and you like my analysis, I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under your video, because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 12-hour chart. You can see that right now we have here two important things. This bearish order block, which is between levels 4.90 and 4.62, and this bullish order block, which is between levels 3.63 and 3.14. Also, you can see that we took the liquidity under this bullish order block twice, but it was without a resistance confirmation, which is a pretty bullish signal. And after that, there is like absolutely crazy pump. You can see that the 12-hour candle is currently having around like 33% of the net market move. If I will be opening a long trade here, the first thing that I want to see is a breakout and support confirmation of this bearish order block, because this will be really important resistance. And if there will be that breakout and support confirmation, then you can see that above this resistance we don't have here historically in this area that much liquidity, so for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to reach a higher levels. So this first long scenario can look, for example, like this. As I said, I want to wait here for that breakout and support confirmation. Stop loss in that case you can put just under this bearish order block, because in case of breakdown and resistance confirmation, then there is a high probability that this coin will continue going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. And as your last take profit target, you can use the previous high, which is on the level 7.27, which will give you risk reward ratio around 7.63, which is really good because we are aiming here for 47.37% of the net profit. Definitely it's a good idea to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you can take under this area, then definitely some of the profits under this previous high, then this previous highs, and then save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end the risk reward ratio will be around 5, but we have here pretty safe stop loss, so I think that yeah, definitely keep an eye on this setup. The other possible trading scenario will be valid in case of breakout, fake out, and resistance confirmation. So as you probably know, in this case we will be using a short trade. Stop loss in that case you can put just above the high that we will create during a fake out, and the last take profit target, well, you can put it above this bullish order block. So in this case you have here risk reward ratio around 3, which is in my opinion not that good, and also it's a not good idea to speculate on the lower order blocks, because in my opinion there is like not that high probability that we are actually gonna go reach this lower levels, because right now the whole market is in the bull market. So I think that this is the best short setup that you can currently get here, but as I said, the risk reward ratio is only 3, and if you will take multiple take profit targets it will be, let's say, around 2, which is in my opinion not that bad. But again, this is probably the best short setup that you can currently get on the 12-hour chart. And the last possible setup on the 12-hour chart will be valid in case of retesting this bullish order block. And again, I want to see here a fake out and then support confirmation in this bullish order block. Stop loss in that case you need to put under the low that we will create during a fake out, or under this previous low on the level $3. And as your last take profit target, you can use this bearish order block. So in this case you will have risk reward ratio approximately 4.2, but yeah, it will depend where we will do the support confirmation. Of course the best will be to wait for the support confirmation above this bullish order block, but in that case the risk reward ratio will be only 2. So if you want to take more risky trade, you can wait for a support confirmation in this order block. And if you will choose as your last take profit target this bearish order block, then you have here risk reward ratio 3.56, and if you will choose the $7.5 mark, then the risk reward ratio will be 11. But do not forget to take a lot of profits under this bearish order block. So even there will be risk reward ratio around 11.8, in the end the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 7. Yeah, that can be like average risk reward ratio for this trade. So yeah, also keep an eye on this setup, but in my opinion the best setup that you can get on the 12-hour chart will be valid in case of breakout support confirmation here. Then you can put your stop loss under this bearish order block. Also, you can see that I'm not sharing any setup that you can take right now, because in my opinion right now there is simply no good risk reward ratio for entering both long and short trade. If we take a look on the 4-hour chart, you can see that the bullish order block here is smaller. So if you want to take, let's say, more risky trade, because opening trades on the 4-hour chart is usually more risky than opening a trade on the 12-hour chart or higher time frame. But if you want to open here, for example, that long trade from this bullish order block, then it will give you much better risk reward ratio, because if you will put the stop loss, let's say, under just this bullish order block, and as your last take profit target you will use this bearish order block, then the risk reward ratio is like 8.56. So yeah, maybe you want to use the 4-hour chart instead of the 12-hour. And let's now take a look on the weekly time frame. As you can see, this is definitely one of the coins that didn't pump that much yet. So if the conditions that I was talking about in this video will be met, then I will be really thinking about opening a long position here, because the upside potential here can be pretty insane. So yeah, this will be all from me for today. If you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group, where I will be sharing the analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But anyway, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you tomorrow in the next one. See ya.